Today I got a card talk for you guys. Recently I've been trading on my Hango trade account. I just been on my live account. As you guys know, my trading the last 2.5 weeks, I haven't been winning that many trades. I won a trade yesterday. It's not about having the secret sauce. No, it's just about having things that are going to make your life easier. And team, welcome back to another video. It's a new day, it's a new opportunity. If you could tell by outside right now, I'm driving in this Florida hurricane weather. It is what it is. I don't care about the weather. It's not going to change the fact that I got a whole bunch of work to do today and I'm going to get it done. And it's not going to change the fact that today I'm going to make the best of it because I might not be here tomorrow. Today's not fully promised. I'm here today right now, but the full today's not fully promised. I got to make the most of right now. And with that being said, today I got a card talk for you guys. Today I'm going to be just having a little bit of a double upload. This isn't replacing the vlog tonight. The vlog is going to be up later on. Trust me, we're double uploading. I got some videos to catch up on since I missed like 2 days in the span of when I was trying to move and everything. But we're going to get it all back. You guys know how I am, giving value. But I wanted to just talk about kind of a life update, my trading update, because as you guys know, the main reason I'm able to make the money I do, whether it's from my trading, whether it's from my VIP, whether it's from my YouTube, all of these incomes that I have are based off the fact of my trading. Now, as you guys know, my trading the last 2.5 weeks, I haven't been winning that many trades. I won a trade yesterday. I made some money yesterday. But overall, in the past 2 weeks, it's been a little slow, but there's a reason for that. As you guys know, a couple months ago, I recorded the whole process of me passing funded accounts with Top Step. I recorded the whole process of me showing you exactly how to get funded, how to pass these challenges, what I did, how much I'm risking, and I showed you the whole process of paying for the funded accounts, all of that. But I haven't been trading the accounts of recently. I documented me withdrawing $3,300, I think, on the YouTube. But of recently, I've been trading on my Hango trade account. I've just been on my live account, just trying to get the money where I can. A lot of people have been asking in the comments, asking my account size. They've been asking how much I risk per trade. They've been asking about the platform. So I'm gonna just try to answer a lot of the trading questions in this video so I don't have to put it all into the vlogs, if that makes sense. But first things first with Hango Trade, no, I don't use their web platform on my computer. I use it strictly on my mobile phone. I personally don't like using it on the computer. I personally rather and prefer taking the trade, buying and selling the trade on my phone while I'm just watching my charts on TradingView, while I'm just watching my charts of that sort. I just use my Hango Trade platform as a literally just to enter the trade, as a reason, as the platform to just put me in the trade. I personally don't use the Hango Trade chart because I just prefer TradingView. Now, does that mean you don't have to use it? No. If you like it, then use it. If anything, if you like the Hango Trade chart, you should use that over any other chart because it's going to be the same price. It's going to be the same data. It's going to be the most effective when it comes to you actually getting the correct price action. Now, can you use your PC for it? Yes. I just prefer my phone, and that's one thing I want to let you guys know because I don't usually record the computer screen of Hango. I record the trading view. I usually just show my phone screen when I'm in the trading, all of that sort. But they have a lot of updates of recently. I'm going to talk to you guys about the little updates. They added stuff like you can close all your positions. That's something that they didn't have before. So if I'm in, like yesterday when I was trading S&P 500, I don't usually trade S&P 500, and this was the first time I traded S&P 500 on Hango Trade. So I was trying to get the right lot size, and I didn't realize that one lot was literally nothing. I had to use 10 lots, so I ended up putting in 1 lot, then I put 5 lots, then I had 6, then I had to put 4 to even it all out. But the main reason that I'm saying all that is when I went to close the trades, I could close all of them. I could click the one button, close all positions, and it closed it all. That's something that they didn't have before. You would have to manually close each position, and that's personally why I'm in the habit of just taking one trade, position at a time. I don't put, if I'm trying to take a trade on US 30, I'm not going to be in a trade on US 30. Say if I want to have 10 lots, I'm not going to put 10 positions of 1 lot. I'm just going to put 1 10 lot. And that's because a lot of the time you can't close all the positions at once. A lot of the time it just makes it less effective to do it that way. But now that you can close all your trades, whether it's in a loss or in a profit, it makes it easier. Now, does that benefit me? Yesterday it did, but most times it doesn't benefit me. But for people that are scalpers, for people that are trying to grow small accounts, when you're using small lot sizes and trying to build up in profit when you get a higher margin, then it's definitely something that will benefit you. It's definitely something that you may be able to take advantage of. There's also the option now you can close only losing, only winning trades. So if you're in 2 trades, one is winning, you can close all losing and you can close all winning. Those are just little things. Now, personally, am I gonna use all of them? Maybe. It's more of those things, like it's going to be very situational. It's going to depend on, like, at that moment what price action is looking like at that moment, if that makes sense. But most times, unless I don't really need it, I like to manual close a lot of my trades. I also like to manual get into my trades, but that's just me. When it comes to trading, everything is unique. You got to understand everybody is different. Everyone's going to have their own systems and everything and all of that. And one of the things that they have that they didn't have before, I know Trade Locker specifically, they had this. Trading View had, there's other platforms that are out there that had this, but now Hango Trade also has it. You can see your profit and loss like on the chart, meaning when you're taking a trade on their chart, I usually don't show it because, like I said, I'm usually looking at it through the Trading View. But when you're on there, you can see the position. So if you're in profit $100, you're going to see on your chart that you're in profit $100 where your position's in, whether it's in a sell or a buy, whatever it is, you'll be able to see it. And that's just cool. It's like the little things. It's the little things that just make your trading just more effective. It's not about having the secret sauce. No, it's just about having things that are going to make your life easier. It's like when it comes to my indicators, I don't use indicators that tell me when to buy or sell, but I do have indicators that make my life easier. They mark up things that I'm already going to mark up. It's essentially just making it more effective so I can use my brain power the right way. That's the one thing you got to understand with trading is you versus you. You got to make sure that you are functionally in the right mindset. So when you have a smooth trading process, it just makes a lot of things easier. And I'm going to be honest with you guys. When I first started with Hango, they had a lot of bugs and everything with the charts, but I've been working with them for a while, and it's just, I understand everything takes time. I understand all platforms, they take time to be built, and I understand how that is. And with the progress that we've seen in a couple months, I think they're on the way up. I think that we're definitely going to keep doing what we're doing and just continue trying to build, just building. I've never had problems with withdrawals. I've never had problems with none of that stuff. I've made my money. I've showed you guys the whole documentation process of me depositing money with Hango, withdrawing it. I've gotten maybe 10, 11, maybe 12 withdrawals in total from them. I'm not sure the exact number. I showed it in one of the vlogs. Not really sure, to be honest. But nonetheless, I trust them. Now, does that mean you should trust them? No. You shouldn't trust nobody. Do your research. Do everything. Trust me. Just look into them. Look into the videos that I've posted. Look into the older vlogs. Look at the withdrawals. You can see all the stuff that I do. I show everything that I do. I use Hango Trade in all the vlogs. So if you want to go back and watch the last maybe 10, 15 vlogs, since I haven't traded the funded accounts in a couple, like maybe a month or two, just because it was summer, I didn't want to trade during the summer conditions. The summer conditions aren't the best. And as you guys can see right now, they're still not the best. But yeah, it's one of those days where we're just going to see what we can do. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to give you guys a little life update. Just moved into the new crib over here. I'm about to go over here. Then I'm about to get the VIP session started. About to get ready to do what I do every single day. Give value, change lives, trade, create content, and work out. So with that being said, stay safe, stay productive. And if you guys want to stay, if you guys want to learn how to trade for free, the free trading course, the free trading webinars, if you want to actually join a community of like-minded traders where you can take my trades, where you can see the trades that I take, and you can even ask questions about Hango Trade, because trust me, VIP members, they always ask, and I always get them right. So stay safe, stay productive, and I'll see you guys tonight.